Hello, good morning, everyone.
Very good morning, sir.
Are you able to hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Is this Akash?
Hello.
No.
Okay.
Okay. Kindly please confirm me if you guys can hear my voice through
Yeah, we
message.
can hear.
Yeah.
Yes, we can hear.
Yes, and we can
Okay.
hear.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay. So, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing good. Okay.
Yeah.
All good, sir.
Okay.
I'm fine,
Great.
sir.
So, and let me firstly apologize because there was some connectivity issues from my end. So I really apologize for the delay for
Okay.
10 minutes.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Okay. So, okay. Give me a minute. So do you know, like, why are we here in today's session? Anyone can speak out or tell me what is
Yeah,
the
we
main
got
reason?
Mhm.
Mhm.
information that the today's class will be based on what about markets, the basic introduction about market, what is IPO,
Mhm.
then how a new person can start trading, like those the basic things.
Mhm.
It's
Mhm.
like for the newcomers, right? Who's
Great.
new to market or who's not aware about markets. It will be very helpful for those peoples, right?
Great, sir.
Yeah.
Great. So before we get into those topics also, let us introduce ourselves here. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just pulling out the screen here. 1 second. Are you able to view my screen?
No, sir.
Actually,
One
it's not
second.
yet.
1 second. Excuse me. How about now? Are you able to view the screen now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we are getting.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great here. So let me welcome to everyone. We are a very warm welcome to this training program. Okay, so let's talk about Goodwill also. Goodwill Wealth Management Private Limited is one of the best brokers in our country. Okay, so just a normal introduction. Okay, we provide the lowest brokerage in India. Okay, and it is very much user friendly. How many of you are trading with the Goodwill broker? Anyone? Have you heard of Goodwill?
Yeah, we are working in this.
Okay.
Actually, we are not supposed to trade with Goodwill as we are an employee here. But we can guide or assist some customers or friends for trading. So
Mm-hmm.
likewise, we are familiar with our softwares and our systems.
Okay, great. This is just a general introduction. Even Goodwill is on these are the social medias, and we have the YouTube channel also. Okay, you can please visit the YouTube channel, and also you can please subscribe them. Okay. Okay. So let me talk about myself also. Okay. Are you able to see this screen? So let me introduce myself
Yes.
also. Okay. So just a basic introduction about me. Hello, once again, my name is Sanjay. Okay. So we have institution name as Trade Like Me Academy, and these are my contact details. Yeah, the website. So let us go in detail with the introduction to stock market. Okay, so can somebody tell me why exactly, like why are we getting into stock market? Any reason?
Obviously, uh, for earning a bit extra.
Extra income. Hmm?
Yeah.
Correct. So you want to earn some like passive income, right? An additional income, make you know, have some good returns, and also make good money through the stock markets. Okay, so why do you think the stock market is there? Any idea on this? Any idea why stock markets are there?
Yeah,
Anybody
we
can answer.
buy and sell shares for
Mhm.
buying and selling shares.
Okay, okay. So let me tell you one thing, ladies and gentlemen, that stock markets are here. It's for many reasons. Okay, one thing is for the development of our economy. Okay, and one more thing is that to expand their business, or their company. Why are we, I mean, why is the public also getting into the stock market? Any idea? Because to earn money, right? The same way, one of the reasons stock markets are into this stocks, I mean, they are into the stock market, the reason is that even they want to earn money, right? They want to gather the funds from the public and start making more money, right? So there are many reasons. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we are here for what? To earn money, right? Why are we getting into stock markets? Is to the main intention is to earn money. So there would be we cannot just earn money just like that, right? There should be a process for it. Correct? How many of you agree? Waiting for response, ladies and gentlemen. If you
Yeah,
can
agreed, sir. Agreed, sir.
responding, it will be quite interesting, and also it will be interesting. Yeah. If you respond, the class will be very much interesting as well. If not, I'll be talking to myself, and I will not be able to understand whether you're able to understand or not. Yeah. So let us come to the topic here. Okay. How many of you have heard of IPOs? Hmm? I'm waiting for your response, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah,
We
I've
heard,
heard.
sir.
Yeah. So what is IPO, ma'am? Sir, ma'am? Any idea? Anything? No problem. If it is right or wrong, anybody can answer.
For listing in NSE.
Okay. NSE or BSE?
NSE or BSE.
Anything else, ma'am? Anything else?
No.
No? Okay. No problem. So that is why we are here, to know these things. Okay. So IPO is like initial public offer. Yeah. The full form of IPO is initial public offer, which means where a company wants to get listed into the stock exchange. So do you think any company can get into stock exchange? I want somebody to interact. That's okay. You can interact and keep the session very interesting. Yeah. I'm going to reveal lot many things to you in the session. Can somebody please interact?
Yeah, sir. Tell me, sir. Yeah, no, sir. Not all company can apply for IP, or not all company can come into market. There has to be certain criteria, like they should be profitable in the last 5 years. They should show that their company will improve if they gather fund from the public. If they are going to make their company public, if you are there, if you are taking the money from the public, there should be potential that the company will rise in future. So yeah, there will be certain criteria where the exchange and the official will judge that if the company has the potential or not. Then only they will be granted for enter into market.
Great. So there are so many process, right? Okay. There's so
Yeah,
much of process to get into the IPO, and every company cannot get into IPO. Okay. So there's so much of process to get into the IPO. So has anyone applied to, apply for the IPO anytime?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So have you been allotted anytime? I mean, is the IPO been allotted to you? Sir, I'm asking a question. Like, is the IPO been allotted to you whenever when you have applied for the IPO?
Sorry. Hello, sir. Yeah, tell me again, sir.
Has,
I got
yeah,
this.
has the IPO been allotted to you anytime?
No. Yeah, it's not allotted. I mean, I tried it, but it didn't get allowed. I think there was some. It was like 5 times it has invested. So 1 year, 5 members only got it. So I didn't receive it.
Great, sir. So you blindly apply, or is there a process to apply?
Means, are you asking me that have I checked any background of the company, or you're simply asking me that what is the process that how I applied?
No. My question is like, just because the IPO is getting launched, so you blindly go and apply, or how is it, sir?
No, actually, I read little bit. I did little research about the company that is there any potential of that or not. So after that only I applied.
Okay, great, sir. No, not an issue. Today I will show you certain things, and very important, sir. Okay, for everyone. Yeah, today I'll be sharing few things where you can look into this and you can get a clue. Okay, see, nothing is 100%. Correct? Do you agree? Nothing is 100% in this
Yeah.
world. So I'll just give you a clue, okay, where you can look into this, and you can take action on this. Okay, again, let me tell you guys, I'm not a SEBI registered or a financial advisor. Okay, so it is just for an educational purpose. Whatever I'm sharing here, it is purely for education purpose, and it is for my practice purpose only. Okay, so you can see this website. Have you ever visited to this website anytime? Any of you?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Have you? Are you able to see my screen? Is it clear?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So let us go to one of the IPOs. Okay. So any recent IPOs? What do you say? Like, have you heard of this LIC IPO that they're going to be launched?
Yeah.
So we go to this website, okay, IPOwatch.in, and we click on this, and we get certain information here. We get an idea, a clue here, what exactly, what this website will give you a certain clue here to go through their financials. Okay, let us see here. Today's very important topic, guys. Okay, it's very important, and these things, if you apply, okay, you may get a chance to get allotted one thing, and another thing is you cannot blindly apply any IPO. Okay, looking at this, you will get an idea whether you should apply or not. Okay, so are you able to see the screen? I'm not promoting any website or something here. It is just a website where I generally refer before I apply for an IPO. I will tell you how to apply also, and how many lots or also you are supposed to apply, select to apply for the IPO also. I'll tell you. Okay, see, IPO is something like a jackpot. Okay, like a lucky dip. How many of you know this?
Yes, sir. Yes, like.
How many of you agree this, sir or ma'am? How many of you know this, that this IPO is like a lucky dip? Sir or ma'am, I need your response.
Yeah, sir. From the very starting, even if somebody is applying for the IPO, it's not clear that he will get it. That is also
Exactly.
kind of thing. And the second thing is that even without the information, prior information about the company, if somebody is applying for the IPO, it's like a gamble. That you have to know that if there is a potential of a company to reach higher or not. Then only on the very first day, either you can get even 10%, 20%, or even the double in some cases, like you can say Zomato or something in some shares. So yeah, there is a something you can say that a little bit luck, or you can say gamble is there, or still luck factor is there, sir.
Okay. Okay. When it comes to stock market, I mean, generally when it comes to IPO, there we can say, okay, luck. Okay. But when it comes to trading, that is purely based on the skill. See, I say what is luck according to me is laboring under the correct knowledge. You get more luckier once you start educating yourself. Correct? In any business, not only this business, right? So let me also show you here one thing is that about the LIC IPO. Okay, again, I'm not promoting here or something. I'm just showing you that this is the way I generally apply for an IPO. I look at certain things, okay, and I don't get into detail, I just keep it simple. Simplicity is the key for me. So how many of you can see the screen, LIC IPO date and price band? Okay, so what are the things I generally look into this, and what is important for me? Only that I'll be looking into. Okay, first thing I'll look into this IPO open 4 May 2022. Okay, which means the IPO open date will be on 4 May, where you can start applying for the IPO. So how many of you have applied for the IPO for LIC IPO?
Applied for clients, sir, not myself. Applied for
Okay.
clients.
Okay, great. So what is the details given here is like 4 May to 9 May. Between these range, you have to apply for an IPO. Okay. Now the question is, sir, will I get allotted 100%? No.
No.
But can we increase the probability of getting allotted? Yes or not? Can we increase the probability, sir, of increasing the probability? I mean, like, can we increase the probability of getting allotted? Is it possible or not, sir?
Possible, sir.
Oh, sir. Any?
Don't know, sir.
Don't know, sir.
Don't know. Okay. I will tell you, sir. For example, now if you have got one demat account, okay. If you have got one demat account, only one person will be applying. Okay. Since I told you, this is like a lucky dip, correct? So if you want to apply for an IPO, okay, if you're going to apply, if you have got one demat account, okay, if you have one demat account and if you have got some 4 to 5 lakhs rupees, you cannot apply. You can apply all with there's some limitations for the IPO, correct? That the limitations are like this. You can see this. I'll come to this also slowly. Maximum amount is going to be 1,99,290. Okay. And what is the price? I mean, the lot size, the maximum lot size, what you can purchase here is 14 lots. So to increase the probability, you don't need to go and buy all 14 lots here. Okay. Here the increase, as I told you, this is of IPOs, like IPO is like a probability thing, and also it's like a lucky dip. So what you guys can do, okay, you can open demat accounts in a different name, okay, like A, B, C, D, E. Okay, you can have 5 demat accounts and apply if you have this amount, or minimum lot, one lot size equal to 14,235. So what you can do from each account, okay, you can apply for an IPO where your probability may increase. Here what happens here, all 5 may get selected, one probability. Second is like nobody can get selected. Third is anyone can get selected, or either 3 or either 4 or the 2. Yeah. So in this way you can apply for an IPO. this will increase the probability rather than applying 14 lots in one single demat account. Is this clear? Are you able to understand this part? Any questions on this, sir or ma'am? Hello?
Oh, no, sir.
Hmm? Did you get this concept or you are aware of this?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are aware of this, but here's a certain condition. Means what you are saying is that 5 different accounts for so it has to be under different names, right? A single
Yes,
person
yes.
who is having more than 2 or 3,
No, sir.
he cannot.
going
He can apply only one from one account only, no?
Yes. See, you can apply from same account, but the probability will be less because your
Yeah.
PAN will be there. It
Yes,
will
yes,
be
yes.
a
The PAN number
same
issues.
PAN. Okay. So if you have different account holders, then it will be very easy. Hmm? Okay. So different PAN, I mean different account holders having a different demat account. Hmm? So you can apply and your probability will be more. Now, next question is, sir, should I apply to this IP or not? How will I know, sir? What is the, what is the process for that? So let us look into it. Here, as I told you, see, these things are not required. Okay, it's not very important for us. Here, just for educational purpose, you can just go through it. Okay, but generally, you can just look into this, that what is the size of an IPO, hmm? And fresh issue, it's like approximate in crores, hmm? And offer for sale, so much, so and so equity shares are there. Price band is going to be 902 to 949 per share, which means like BSE it will be around this amount, and 949 rupees will be for NSE. Okay, retail quota. Okay, QIB quota 50%, NII quota will be 15% again they are having this also, like discount is going to be 60%, rupees 60 for policy holders. Okay, and rupees 45 for retail and employees. Okay, and now let us see here, what is the minimum lot size here? One lot size is equal to 15 shares.
15 shares.
Yeah.
Inches.
So what is the minimum amount you require here?
14,235.
Correct. So we can apply how many lots here?
For 14,235, one lot.
Sorry? See, 14,235 is one lot, correct?
Yes, sir.
So,
Maximum we can apply for 14 lots.
correct. Now, if you have a demat account, you will go and apply 14 lots, or you will go apply only one lot.
14 lots.
Based on our fund,
Capital?
sir. Yeah,
Hmm?
capital. Yes, sir.
Capital,
Yes.
correct.
Yes.
But as per my experience, let me tell you, if you really want to apply and get allotted, apply from a different demat account, demat accounts. Okay. Here, as I told you, the probability will be increased. If you apply from a single demat account, the most of the times the company will give you only one lot only. Correct?
Yes, sir.
They may give you full also completely, but as per my knowledge and as per my experience, I'll tell it is my view only. Okay, I'm not forcing or suggesting, or it's just my opinion that we can go with only one lot. Hmm? Because out of 14 lots, they may give only one only, or they may give 14 also. Okay, but I've come across, as per my experience, only one lot they have been allotting it to you. And one more thing, if you go for 14 lot also, it be risky. Hmm? Suppose if the company was not doing good, if the price will start falling, what will happen? The entire money will be into loss.
Loss. Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So whatever is there, always apply for a company with only one lot. If you really want to get that, get allotted, apply from different
Demat
accounts.
account.
Yes. Now the question here comes is, should I really apply for this or not? How will I know? So let us go to this also. let us look at the financials here. Now, what does this say? You can see it is in crores. 2019, the revenue was 2,645. Expenses were around 2.63. PAT means profit after tax. The profit after tax is how much? 2,627.
27. Yes.
So ensure all this years the number should keep increasing and it should be in green. Are you getting this? Is this increasing year by year? What do you say, Sir Raman? Is this increasing? The
First
numbers?
three, yeah, first three are increasing, sir. Last one is 1,500.
6 months.
4.
It's only for 6 months now.
Correct.
Yeah.
This
yes,
is only for 6
6
months.
months.
So if you look at this, the numbers will keep increasing here. If they are increasing here, that means the company is doing better. And we can expect the prices to shoot up with a very good
Profit.
Yes, very good profits.
Yes.
So let us look at another company. Is this part clear? Any doubt on this? It's just a general information. Okay, you don't need to go in depth. So this is the key points where I generally look into and apply for an IPO. This is just for my educational purpose only. I'm not advising or not suggesting. It is just, this is the way I generally look into. You can go to this website and have this. Even I think Goodwill also will be providing this information. Correct? Goodwill, sir. Does this information is also available in Goodwill website? Hello. Okay, let us go to another company here.
Slightly low. No, sir, we don't have in our website, sir.
Okay. Not an issue. Let us go to another company where we had this Paytm. Let us look into that. If you look into the financials of Paytm, it was into negative. How many of you applied for the Paytm IPO?
Actually, we are applying for only clients, sir. We
Okay.
don't have access to apply for IPO here.
If you look into the Paytm IPO, it was into negative. Let's look into this. I just wanted to show you that example. Let us go to this IPO.
So you can check it in your trading view, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm just looking into this website because this will give us a little good idea for us. Yes, I think we can find it here.
Yeah.
Yes. Here also, you can see here, IPO open date was on 8 November. Okay. And these are the general things you can see here. What was the price band? 2080 to
2,150.
Yes. So here what happens? They are saying 6 shares you can buy, which is one lot, which is equal to 12,900.
Yes, sir.
maximum amount is 15 lots.
Lots.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can see here also price band, all these things. Now let us look into the financials. Now you tell me, will you apply for this IPO? Generally, I'm asking, looking at these figures, will you apply for this or not?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Because
sir.
it's a
As the
negative,
price is decreasing.
negative
Price is
price.
decreasing.
Decreasing, sir.
So are you getting a brief idea here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is how it is. So I just keep things simple, but very, very effective. Okay, it is very, very effective and very simple to look at this information and apply. You want one more example, or is this been understood?
I can give another example also. If you have to.
Another example.
give.
Okay, sure. Definitely, we'll go with it. Let us go with Adani Wilmart.
Okay.
Adani Wilmart.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's Adani Wilmart. Okay. You can see the IPO open date, IPO close date. Okay, all this information is here. 14,950 is one lot. Okay. So, how many lot size will you apply if you want to apply?
What?
One.
No. If you want to apply, how many lots will you apply? Generally, I'm asking you. You can go with
14.
only one lot.
Only one.
One,
Yes,
one.
sir. One.
Only
One
one
lot.
lot.
Only one. Yes. That will give you an accuracy to get allotted from different account holders if you apply. Can you see this financials here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All in green, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This is quite less because this
6
is
months only.
yes.
6
This is for only 6 months. Okay. So is this clear? Any doubts on this? See, we are keeping it very simple and very effective.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Now the next topic will be like, why should one know and earn? Why should one know and learn and earn from the stock markets? So why do you think, why should we learn first? Any reply?
Avoid for loss amounts.
Yes. Okay. So
Avoid losing the amount.
yes. So you see, if you start learning and if you start investing, okay, then you need not depend on the mutual funds. Okay, you can do it on your own, correct? You can
Yeah.
be dependent on your own, independent. Yeah, you need not be dependent on anybody else. So there are other ways also. Okay, if you will learn, if the mutual funds are giving you how much,
Hello?
what is the max? Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, sir.
Okay. So what is the maximum return that mutual funds will be given to you, sir, ma'am? Any percentage?
16 to 18%.
16 to
18%, I guess.
16 to 18%. Okay. So do they guarantee you?
No,
No.
banking
No, sir.
part, they will guarantee. Like, for example, if any mutual fund is giving 50%, they're putting fund in banks. In that case, they can guarantee the 7 to 8%, 6 to 7%. Remaining, they cannot guarantee.
Yeah. But if you learn how to trade in stock markets, can you make more than that?
Yes,
Is it
sir.
possible?
Yes, sir.
How much percent, ma'am, we can make maximum? 20%? 30%? Is this possible? 100%? Can we add
Not-
one more zero? 1000%? Is it possible?
No, sir.
Why, ma'am? I have done 1000%. Why it is not possible? I
Quite
myself
possible.
have done very much possible, sir, ma'am. Very much possible it is. Yeah.
Sir, market movement we can't able to predict.
Market movement will not be able to predict. Okay. So that is why you have to learn, ma'am. If you learn, then you can earn. Well, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So today I'm going to reveal a very important strategy to you all. Okay. Because you have given all your time here. You have attended this session. Very powerful session. I'm going to give you a strategy. Very, very powerful, you know. The name of the strategy is candle tricks. Have you heard of it? Anyone?
No, sir.
The strategy, you know, that is what I have named it, known as candle tricks, and you can apply this for daily salary technique. This also I call it as a daily salary technique. Okay, just look at the candlesticks and you can place the trade, and you can just close the system. Okay, morning you open it, place your trades and close the system, and end of the day only you open and look at the your trading account, or tomorrow morning you can look. So how many of you want to hear that? How many of you are interested to know that, learn that salary daily salary technique?
I'm interested, sir.
Interested, sir.
Interested?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's very, very powerful and effective. Just because I'm revealing it for free, do not think it is not effective or something. Okay, it's going to be very, very effective and powerful. Okay, you have to practice also the same way. It's very, very simple. Anybody can do this if you learn this technique. I'm going to reveal that. Okay, so how many of you are aware of this chart? This is known as a price chart, correct? Who is not aware of this type of chart?
Yes, everyone knows, sir. This chart.
Everyone knows.
Candlesticks.
Okay, great. Okay, so when you see these type of candlesticks in the basing, can you see?
Yeah.
These type of candlesticks. Remember this technique or the strategy what I'm showing it to you, this will work only on daily time frame only, since it is only for daily salary technique.
How many minutes, sir, this single candle?
This each candle is equal to 1 day. Can you see here?
1 day. Okay. Okay.
This is a universal strategy, which means it will work on any price chart, candlestick chart, but daily chart only. Daily time frame is must, because we are looking at the daily chart and we want daily salary technique, right?
Yes, sir.
So when we want this, we have to look at only daily chart only. Any chart, sir. Or ma'am. Yeah. Okay. Can you see this type of basing here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whenever you see this type of candlestick, next day this type of candlestick should be appeared and it should close above this previous candlestick. Can you see this? Let me zoom this. Are you able to see this candlestick?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see this one and this one here?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Let me change the color also. Yes. Can you see this pin bar? I mean,
yes,
this type of candlestick.
Yes,
Any
sir.
candle which is closed above this candlestick like this, next day, what you do blindly, don't ask anyone. Once the candle is closed, you should have an engulfing candle like this. Okay. Once you have lit this candle, just blindly tomorrow or day after tomorrow, like whenever you see this type of candlestick, next day, blindly just place your entry, okay, and place your stop loss just below this candlestick.
Hey, stop loss there.
Are you getting this here? Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
The stop loss, where it should be? It should be
below the candlestick.
just below the candlestick.
Below the candlestick. Okay, sir.
The previous candlestick. Where will you enter when you see this type of candlestick here? Okay, when you see this type of candlestick, next day after this close of the candlestick, okay, the candle should be closed. Assume that today is Friday, okay, and this candle is closed like this today. Monday, don't ask anybody, blindly buy this. When
Okay.
it appears like
Okay.
this. I'm not giving a call or I'm not giving advice. It is just for a educational purpose again. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
let me be very clear on that. So when you see this type of candlestick here, next day, don't ask anyone. Blindly look for long opportunities, buy opportunities. Okay. You can buy here, place your stop loss here. Okay. And mid of the day or during the day, don't open your system. If you open the system and see what will happen, any idea?
No, sir.
We'll have the urge to close the position as it will be in the profit.
Yes. See, it may be in profit also or loss also. Emotions will be playing out. Correct.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is why open the trade and just keep your system away. Don't look at the system at all or your phone also. This is daily salary technique, and it is very, very, very powerful. You can look at this. You can place a buy order here in this type of scenario, and you can just see. You can see a good profit. Profits have been dancing in your account. Correct?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can you show some examples in Nifty or Bank Nifty?
Yes, definitely, sir. We'll go with this also.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, here also. You can see another. Sir, now where to, you may ask now, sir, now where to exit? Whenever you are happy, you can exit, sir, ma'am. Okay. See, just one candlestick stop loss. Okay. And you could see a very good green bullish candle or a pin bar in profits. Okay. When you're happy, you can close it. If not, you can trail the stop loss. Keep it to break even, or you can keep it below this candlestick here. Okay. Here, or you can place it to break even, close half of your positions. Again, you can wait for another day. You can see this move here. Again, same thing here. The prices went till up here. If you are happy, you can close it. If not, you can keep trailing the stop loss. Okay, someone was asking for which chart?
Nifty
So
and
Nifty, Bank Nifty, sir.
Nifty, Bank Nifty. Sure, ma'am. Okay. You want to look for short or long position? I'll show in long also and short also. Okay?
yeah, sure,
Okay, sir.
sure.
Both, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the rule? Can you please tell me? What are the type of, what is that you're going to apply here? What is the rule? Can anybody tell me? I just want to know what have you understood, what have it's on the things what I've explained. I want to know how much have you understood. Can anybody tell me? Hello? Yes, can anyone tell me?
Yes, sir.
If you have not understood, it's okay. I'll explain it again to you. You can just tell me what have you understood so far.
Okay, sir. Here, 17,350. I think that green one.
Here, ma'am, I'm talking about this one. Here. Can you see?
Here, yeah. Oh, okay,
I'm looking
okay.
for short position. Okay. I'll explain this again. It's very, very powerful and effective, ma'am. Whenever you see these type of candles, and when you see the big man, big engulfing candle which is closing,
Sir,
below the previous.
sorry to interrupt you, sir. Sir, I just want to confirm you, sir. You are only looking for the engulfing candle, or you are looking for any kind of the previous candle? You are looking either inside candle or something, or you are simply looking for an engulfing candle?
Sir, the candle should close. A good engulfing candle. Also, it should close the previous candlesticks. It should close below the previous candlestick. Here,
Yeah,
can you see?
So it doesn't matter whatever the previous candle is. So it simply
sir.
means that the next candle should be engulfing one,
Yes,
and
sir.
it should closed. It should be the closed one.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. It should be closed below or above.
Below or above it. Okay.
Based on the the position. Like if you're going for long position, it should be closed above the the previous candlestick, which is the wick. Can you see? This is closed here. I mean, the previous candlestick was here, and you could see this type of candlestick here, engulfing one. It closed here. Next day, you can blindly place a buy. The same thing here. Can you see? The candlestick is being closed below the previous candlestick. Are you able to see this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And
Yes.
next day, where will your entry be here? Your entry will be here. Don't ask anybody. Okay. Don't ask anyone. Should I sell? Should I buy? Don't ask anyone. You can just place your entry here and your stop loss here and close the system. If you will open the system mid of the day, mind will be, the human mind is very danger. How many of you agree? If you see a lot of profits also, you'll be panicking. If you see a lot of loss also, you'll be panicking. So use proper money management, risk management, yeah, and you can look for short opportunities in this type of scenarios.
Sir, can you demand? Can you go to 9 June 2021?
Sure, sir.
1 day candle.
9
June 2021.
June, right?
Yes. Yeah, here, it's gone. Yeah.
It's April, sir.
May, June.
Yes. 9 June.
June. Okay.
So the engulfing formed,
Mm-hmm.
and then
You mean to say this has been failed, this has not worked out, correct?
yeah. So is there anything we can detect that is to confirm that this will fail, or this has the better possibility of getting success?
Sir, there's no 100% in any business, sir. One loss is fine, sir. What happens to a human here, actually, if he or she takes one minimum of 2 to 3 losses, they will say, done, no need stock market. You should not judge on 2 or 3 trades. You should have minimum of 10 to 20 trades, okay, 15 to 20 trades. Based on that, you have to judge your complete results, and you should also be having a good risk reward ratio. Okay.
And
Are
come
you
to that
getting it,
point,
sir?
so let's assume that this setup that you have given it has formed. So how to know that where to exit? We have entered.
Okay, now example, we'll take one chart, sir. Okay. Can we go with this one? We can go with this one. Here we will see this type of candlestick. Okay, next day this type of candlestick appears, correct? As I told you, it should be closed above the previous candlestick. So what you can do, when you see this type of candlestick, you can blindly buy here. Okay, and your stop loss.
But
Yes, sir. I'll come
just to
to
interrupt.
that.
But earlier trade, it was the sell trade. So by that time, you will be entering. The people who are in the sell, they will be thinking of exiting, right? Stop loss, it has not reached up this for previous red candle, the engulfing one. Yeah. So, for example, I have entered in the 21st after red candle. I have, as you said, that if a big engulfing formed, I have entered here as a sell position. So my exit will be only when the red candle, the high of the red candle, right? So
yes, sir.
In that case, sir, if somebody is in the sell position, we cannot enter, we cannot exit out. We have to wait till what you are saying is the 28th of the candle, up to 28th candle, when it finally crossed the high of that red candle. So
here, yes, sir. Please continue.
Yeah. So what I'm asking is that in that case, what either if we are in the sell side, how can we exit it out, or how can you think of a new trade before exiting the buys, before exiting the sell side, sir? See, you can see that the same thing, the red candle is forming the same setup that you have said, the engulfing candle formed, and let's assume that we have entered into the sell side. Now, how can you expect the same closing that there only and take a buy side in that same setup?
Correct, sir. See, as I told you here, now this trade has been, there is a sell here, correct?
Yes.
If there is a sell here, generally one thing what I will do, I'll not look for such a big stop loss. See, this is going to become very big stop loss, isn't it?
Yeah,
Such
yes.
a big. So first of all, I'll not look for this one. Second thing is that, if I will enter here, the risk is so much here. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Risk is too high. If I'm going to look at this candle and if I'm going to enter here, the risk is going to be too high. So I will avoid such type of candlesticks, sir. You can look for engulfing. Okay, engulfing does not mean the candle should be very big. If it is like this also, in worst scenario, if you find this type of candlestick, your reward also should be, like minimum 1:2 or 1:3, sir. 1:1, no. As much as we are taking a risk, based on that, the reward also should be big, sir. Do you agree to it, sir?
Yes.
The reward also should be big. If not, if you know how to draw, trend lines, are you aware of drawing the trend lines?
Yes, sir.
So in upcoming sessions, I'll be showing you all those things, how to draw trend lines. Okay, it'll be very, very interesting. Next topic also. You can see here. Example, I'm showing you the same candle tricks information here. You can see this one also here. Can you see this? When you see this type of behavior here, are you able to understand what is this?
No, sir.
Okay. These are known as patterns, ma'am. The chart patterns. Okay. In upcoming classes, I'll be showing you and lot many things.
Channel pattern.
So every day, today only if I reveal everything, there'll be no fun. Okay. Day by day, in each session, we'll be revealing you all very much interesting things.
So you're looking at a channel, right?
Yes, sir. Here, what happens? You can see if I'm going to draw a line here, the price came and retested. When you see this type of candle, sir, next day you can look for buy opportunity. You see, this is your stop loss. The candle closed here, opened here, and closed. Next day you can buy here. Can you see? The price went up. Okay. Now, how far the price will keep going? Even we will not know, sir or ma'am. Okay. When you are happy, you can close. You see this very good profits, correct? Can you see this? Are you able to see? This is my candlestick. Okay, closed on the example today. Monday, what I will do? Simply, I'll place a buy order here and place a stop loss and leave it. And it has given good profits here. Okay, it has gone till here. If you want to hold the trade again, what you can do? You can hold it to the next day. You can place it to a break even, or you can close half of your positions at least. Yeah, half of the lot size, or book you can secure your bag. Okay, and here you could see another good candlestick here. Nice profits here also. See, nothing is 100%. Okay, practice is very, very important. Okay, if you swim only, you can learn how to swim. If you don't swim, you cannot learn, correct? So same thing here also, you have to practice and you should not give up. And some back testing is also required. Look there, you can, and one more very important thing is you can go and look at the double bottoms. Wherever you find double bottoms, these areas you can find these type of candlesticks. Have you understood this concept, sir or ma'am?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Reversal pattern. Understood, sir.
Okay. Double bottom. Okay. Double tops. If you're looking for sell opportunities.
Sir, got it.
Okay. And do anyone know like how the chart moves, on what basis? Any idea?
sir, you are asking the thing that how the price moves or how actually.
Yes. Mhm.
In my theory, sir, as a retailers, with our buy and sell, it doesn't move, sir. Only thing it makes move it is either by the some big traders or some institutional people. When they
Okay.
buy or sell, then they can only move the market
Mhm,
with their
mhm.
buy orders. That too in the market orders. With limit orders, it won't move. They have to buy in market.
Okay. I'll show you one more thing. So what are the strategies you guys generally use to trade?
Me personally, I use liquidity. Don't use pattern. I use liquidity. I only see the market where there is a potential of market, or where the market looks for liquidity. Where I think that possible stop losses are there, the market will definitely try to reach there and then it will reverse. So yes, I look for liquidity, sir.
Liquidity. Okay. Okay. So I've got various strategies where I apply. Okay. So as for my knowledge, there are so many strategies, correct? I will not say this is 100% or 1000%. Okay. The more you practice, that will give you more accuracy. That's what I believe. So I use supply and demand and wave analysis. So in upcoming chapter, I will show you a few examples on what basis the charts have been moving. Now this is my supply area. Okay. So what generally a novice trader will be doing here? He or she looking at this candlestick. Any idea?
Trader will try to buy it, but I think that's a
Yes.
sell. As soon as it reaches that area, there's a good chances that the
Yes.
market will reverse back.
Yes. So what happens here? Everyone start looking for buying and get trapped into this trap. They get trapped into the, we can call it as a financial trap here. So they get trapped here and they start falling. Correct. That is why most of the traders lose. One of the major reasons. They think the prices are trending upside. The prices may shoot up. So they'll be looking only for long opportunities here. But whereas the supply and demand trader will start looking for sell opportunities. This is also one of the strategies. Okay. Any doubt on IPO and the candle tricks? It is very, very important, guys. Yeah. So don't, please do value this stuff. It's very, very important. Yeah. So have you got any queries on this? On the strategy or IPO or candle tricks?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have many, but I'll let first you complete the whole thing, then I will ask you, sir.
Yes, sir. You can go with the question, sir. Not an issue.
You just mark that demand supply zones. Okay. Yeah. Means yeah. First of all, sir, first thing, if I know about that demand supply zone, but if for somebody who doesn't know, how do you calculate? How do you select that demand and supply zone here? Though you have marked it.
Okay, that we have a different criteria, sir. It is not on only one session we cannot complete. We have got
So
several
that is the reason
sessions.
I said that let it go. You first complete, then only I'll ask you, sir. That's it.
Okay. No, that's what, sir. You can ask the questions, not an issue, because that's a different story, sir. By only one session we cannot complete that. Okay. See, some people what they do is, some traders they plot with body to body. Okay. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to see, sir, here?
Yeah, we can see.
Either body to body or wick to wick.
Okay.
They'll plot either of the way, sir. Based on that, you can look for the trading opportunities. You can see here also, it's a very good demand level. Can you see? Sorry. Can you see? So what do we do when the prices come here in demand zone? This is how we plot it. We wait for the prices to come to the demand zone. As soon as it came here, the prices bounced. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
This is how the price went up, shot up. Again, there was a supply area and market started falling down. Okay. So any other doubts, sir or ma'am, regarding this strategy?
Exactly, you call that demand and supply zone, only demand supply zone, or you can call it like some of the people call it as a order blocks. Some people even call as a liquidity zone. What do you call exactly? It's only demand and supply zone.
Sir, each trader has got their own point of view, sir. Some call them as support and resistance as well. Hmm?
Okay.
Okay. But I call it as supply demand, sir, to be very honest. Hmm?
Okay.
Each and every trader or mentor has designed into a different terminologies. Okay. And it may have some here and there some changes. Okay. Any other questions, sir, on this? In upcoming session, we'll be showing you what are the type of incomes. What
Okay, sir.
we'll look into some fundamentals, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next session will make it even more interesting. Okay. We'll look into the fundamentals in the upcoming session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So how was this class? Was it okay, good? I mean, like, was this strategy effective? Once you start practicing, things will be even more better. So was the IPO part interesting?
Yes,
Were
sir.
you aware of this IPO? How and what to be, the process, whatever, like you were looking to the process before or not, like this?
No, sir.
So any queries or questions related to this?
Sir, can I ask you something personal, sir? Means,
Sure, sir.
see, the thing is that what you said is that regarding risk to reward ratio, I
Mhm.
personally feel that many people have this issue of where to close the trade. Are you keep booking profit partially, or is there anything you see any kind of reversal thing only then only you close your position, sir?
Okay, sir, let me be very honest. When you see a good, see, again, also depends on the type of trader. We'll be discussing on that also in the upcoming sessions. We have got totally 4 to 5 sessions. In upcoming
Okay.
session, we'll be having that risk reward ratio also. For example, here what happens, let me give a small idea here. See, to know risk reward ratio, you should know the strategy first. Okay. People or traders, they don't know when to get in the market, when to get out of the market. Hmm? Correct, because they
Yes, sir.
don't have a plan, trading plan. So trading plan will come once you invest yourself into the education part. Correct, once you have the
Correct, sir.
skill set. Hmm?
So,
So if you have the skill set, then you'll have a trading plan. If you have a trading plan, then you will have this risk reward also. Now your question was here, like when to close the trade, how much what is the risk reward, right? So
exactly.
when you see 1:1 or 1:2, okay, 1:2, you can close half of your positions and place it to break even, and you can let the trade run. Okay. If not, if you're going to say, sir, I'm going to risk only 10,000 rupees on this trade, or you can say you have got 1 lakh capital. Okay, 1 lakh is your capital. So trade with only 1% risk, 1% or 3% risk. Are you getting this point, sir?
Yes,
Fix
sir.
on to 1 or 3% only. Risk only 1 to 3% of your capital. Okay. Here what happens? If you're going to take a trade, okay, and don't judge on only one trade. You are supposed to take, if you're going to take some 10 trades, ensure you follow this concept in all the 10 trades. 1 or 3% only. Take any one. Here what happens is, the traders, what they do is, like, in one particular trade, they will risk 10%. Okay. In one trade, they'll risk 10%. Another trade, they'll go and risk 50%. So what will happen here? The 50, whatever, suppose if the trade where you took 10% risk, okay, this may go in profit. Here again, the mindset of a trader, what will happen? He or she will be even more confident, thinking that this trade, the next trade also will be in a profitable. It will be a profitable trade. So here, what will happen to a trader? He or she will go with the 50% risk, and that is why whatever you earned here, and if this turns to be a negative, yeah, this also, this amount 50% will take your previous trade profits, and also it will try to vanish your account. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So stick on to one particular percentage of the risk. And risk reward ratio, as I told you, if you have minimum 1:1 or 1:2, place it to break even and close half of your positions. If not, if you're going to have a calculated risk, you can tell to yourself, I'm going to risk 1,000 rupees for this trade. Okay, so don't worry, because you have already planned to lose. Okay, you have already taken a risk to lose 1,000 rupees. Okay, to make some 3,000 to 5,000 rupees.
Yeah,
You can
but
keep it as-
sir, just sorry to interrupt you. Just but you must have realized that in last 2 or 3 months the market is too
Mhm.
much volatile and targeting the trailing stop losses, especially if somebody is
Mhm.
trailing. So don't you think that if we put any just to save our fund, if you're putting at no loss no profit zone, if you're putting your stop loss in that, the market will come back and it will hit that stop loss and again it will follow that. It's happening, right, sir?
Sir, it's correct, because what happens again, it depends what strategy you're using, sir. See, no strategy is 100%. Okay. Now, in supply area, what is happening? Hmm? In supply area, most of them will go and buy. See, this was a supply area, correct?
Yes, sir.
First thing, as I told you, you should have strategy. Okay, and it should, give you an idea whether you have to look for buying or selling. So these areas, the novice traders will start looking for buying. Okay, can you see?
Yes,
These,
sir.
the novice will start looking for buying. So this is the area for looking for sell. Okay.
Yes.
So the probability also increases where you're buying and where you're selling, and along with the strategy. Okay.
But it's
Yes, sir. Any questions for the day, sir?
no, sir.
Hmm? So in next lesson, we'll learn what are types of analysis, sir, like fundamental analysis. Okay. Types of
Okay.
market caps will be very interesting, sir. Okay.
Okay.
And yeah. So again, can just look into this. You want to have any other chart, sir? On you guys trade only stocks or forex also, sir?
I see all kind of markets, sir. Gold, everything, sir. I see all
Great,
kind
great,
of forex.
great. Okay.
But yeah, forex is too volatile, especially when the US market opens and suddenly it will come down and hit the stop losses. Yeah, so kind of uneven. I find like the forex market is too volatile due to different kind of session opening, and so for that reason only I feel like it's little difficult in forex.
So I been more than in stocks, I generally go for long term. Yeah, like weekly or monthly income. I look for that. Yeah. So I need not spend time more of time in intraday. I mean, if I look and get into stocks for equities, I need not sit in front of my system, right, all the time.
Oh,
So this is our institution, sir, Trade Like My Academy. You can just have a look at this also. So this is our website. Okay, www.tradelikeme, which is TRADELIKEMEE academy.com. Yeah.
okay.
So any doubts, sir? can we end the sessions for the day?
Okay, sir. Sure, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
See you soon in the next session, sir. And ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you so much.
Thank
Have a
you.
wonderful day.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.